Everyone is requested to mark your attendance. Okay. Find all real valued solutions of find all real valued solutions of following equations. So first equation I should write त्याचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन लिहून काढा काय अटेंडन्स मार्क करा बाकीचे. The characteristic equation of this differential equation is r to the power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. आणि ह्याचे रूट्स आपण काढलेत. Value of r are satisfying this. That values have been found in the previous class. So what are the roots? Roots आठवतात का काढलेले आपण याचे? 1 upon root 2 1 plus I. याचा कॉन्जुगेट लगेच लिहायचा 1 upon root 2 1 minus I. 1 upon root 2 minus 1 plus I. 1 upon root 2 minus 1 minus I. It is 4, so you must have 4 roots here. तर थेरमच्या स्टेप प्रमाणेच फॉलो करूयात आपण, म्हणजे आपल्या लक्षात येईल काय केलं आपण. ओके, आय विल कॉल दिस एज R1. एकच एक्झाम्पल साठी करून दाखवतो. आय कॉल दिस एज R1. दिस इज युअर R1 bar, R2, and this is R2 bar. You can easily observe that these are conjugate pairs. So each has multiplicity 1. So what you are going to write? Solution is a to the power R1x. Who is the next solution? A to the power R2x. From these solutions, here you get two constants and here you get two constants, because R1 bar च्या रिलेटेड हा येतोय आणि R2 आणि R2 bar च्या रिलेटेड हा येतोय. सोल्युशन कसं लिहायचं पाहता इथं. आपला R1 आहे सिग्मा 1 प्लस I टो 1 याप्रमाणे, आणि R2 आहे सिग्मा 2 प्लस I टो 2. So its solution you can write it as, आता मल्टिप्लिसिटी 1 आहे त्यामुळे x चा पॉवर 0 येईल या ठिकाणी, x टू द पॉवर 0. e टू द पॉवर दिस सिग्मा 1x. सिग्मा 1 ची किंमत बहुतेक 1 अपॉन रूट 2x आहे. This is multiplied by the first constant C1 cos of 1 upon root 2x plus C2 sin 1 by root 2x. हे झालं R1 शी रिलेटेड. आता R2 शी रिलेटेड रूट पाहून घ्या काय ते आहे. What are the roots? I will write root here. All the 4 roots I will write. The roots are 1 upon root 2 plus I upon root 2 plus or minus 1 upon root 2 plus or minus I into 1 upon root 2. We will come to know. Now next, e to the power of this, e to the power minus 1 by root 2x multiplied by third constant C3 cos of 1 upon root 2x plus C4 sin 1 upon root 2x. So this is the real value solution of it. C1, C2, C3, C4 by above theorem, these are the real constants, where C1, C2, C3, C4 are the real constants. So this is the real valued solutions of your differential equation. Y to the power fourth derivative, don't say power, y square derivative plus y equal to 0. हे त्याचं solution आहे. Okay, we have one more example regarding this. Another example, y double dash plus y equal to 0. You can write the characteristic equation as solution. I start from here. The characteristic equation is r square plus 1 implies r has two roots. One root is I. So I write it as in the form complex number 0 plus I, and another root is its conjugates 0 minus I. So like this. So can you tell me what is phi of x directly? Phi of x काय असेल त्याच्यावर लागेल e to the power 0x. Now your real part is 0. This is multiplied by first constant cos of i's coefficient, that is x, plus c2 sin x. Degree order is 2, so you have two constants. So you are writing for two roots as this solution. So your phi of x is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, where c1 and c2 are real constants. कुणाला अडचण यामध्ये काय? Yes. काय शंका असेल
No,
तर
sir.
विचारा. We have next example, example number 3. It is okay. This you can solve easily. Yeah? Y double derivative minus y equal to 0. That you can solve easily. Its characteristic equation is r square minus 1 equal to 0. That is r is plus 1 minus 1. So its solution is phi equal to c1 e to the power x. ह्याच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायला गेलो आपण तर काय येईल बघा. e to the power x. आता इथं इमॅजिनरी पार्ट 0च आहे त्यामुळं c1 cos of 0x plus c2 sin of 0x. And next असं लिहायचं नाही पण मी सांगतो तुम्हाला फक्त या ठिकाणी e to the power minus x c1 cos of 0x. इथं पण इमॅजिनरी पार्ट 0 या ठिकाणी. It's c3 and c4 sin of 0x. हे केअरफुली पाहिलं तर ह्या आहे c1 e to the power x. आता हा c2 कॉन्स्टंट इथे गेला c3 e to the power minus x. आपण या ठिकाणी डायरेक्टच लिहित होतो आतापर्यंत सोल्युशन. सो phi is c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus x. That's it. हे इथे एकही रूट्स इमॅजिनरी नाही. फक्त इमॅजिनरी असेल तर कसं लिहायचं त्यासाठी सांगितलं इज फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. यू कॅन राईट डायरेक्टली like this. Two distinct roots. You can write directly. Next example. Okay, example number keep in mind 1, 2, 3, 4 should be is equal to 0. So try to solve this. Its characteristic equation is r to the power 4 minus 1. We can factorize it as r square minus 1 and r square plus 1. You can easily check it. So it's r minus 1, r plus 1, r minus I, and r plus I. The roots are r1 equal to I, its conjugate minus I, r2, r1 bar, you should write. And then r2 is 1 and r3 is minus 1. Can anybody tell the solution of this? Phi of x. आता ह्याच्याशी रिलेटेड दोन कॉन्स्टंट येणार दोघांची मिळून आणि हे वेगळेच. हे वेगळे ह्यांचं काय येईल? समजा ह्याच्याशी रिलेटेड दोन कॉन्स्टंट आले तर ह्याच्याशी रिलेटेड कॉन्स्टंट मी c3 e to the power x प्लस c4 e to the power minus x. आता आपल्याला ह्याच्याशी रिलेटेड लिहायचं आणि मल्टिप्लिसिटी एकच आहे प्रत्येकाची, रिपीटेड नाही रूट्स आहे, एकदाच आलेले आहेत. तर e to the power 0x in the bracket c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So e to the power 0, you should write it as 1. So phi is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x plus C3 e to the power x plus C4 e to the power minus x. So this is the real valued solution of this differential equation. So this small solve problem you can try for more. Let us do another 2 examples for you. Next problem number 6. It was 5 problem number 2. Y is fifth derivative plus 2y equal to 0. And problem number 6, y is fourth derivative minus 5 times y second derivative plus 4 times y. So what root of this equation is 1. You should find root of this equation by synthetic division method. So first upon try to solve this first. This will be homework to you. Just write. Only thing is that you are able to find the root of that equation. So it is r to the power 5 plus 2y equal to 0. Sorry, r to the power 5 plus 2 equal to 0. y चा काहीच पॉवर नाही म्हणजे r चा 0th पॉवर असते लक्षात घ्या. नाही तर बऱ्याच वेळा आपण इथं r लिहून टाकतो. y डॅश म्हणजे r लिहायचा त्याप्रमाणे. Here you are writing y dash equal to r like that. पण याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला म्हणजे r चा वर्ग असं नाही. शेवटचा y equal to r to the power 0 लिहायचा एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. तर आता r to the power 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 can be written as in the complex number form. Minus 2. Okay, I write this as cos of pi plus I sin pi like this. Because cos of pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. I can add general value of theta here. Cos of 2 pi k plus pi plus I sin 2 pi k plus pi. Pi हे 2च आहे शेवटी. This is 2. Cos of 2 theta, cos of 2 pi k plus theta हा cos theta असतो. And तसंच sin पण. Because cos and sin both are the periodic function with the period pi, period 2 pi. And cos of pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Now r value is taken from this 2 cos of 2 pi plus 1 k plus I sin 2 pi plus 1 k raised to 1 upon 5. तर तुम्हाला इथं k च्या किमती 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 असे घ्यायच्यात. उदाहरणार्थ आपण आता याला r ला पुन्हा लिहितो. r equal to 2 to the power 1 by 5 is separate. And here you are writing De Moivre's theorem. Cos of 2 pi plus 1 k divided by 5 plus I sin 2 pi plus 1 into k divided by 5. And when you take k equal to 0, you get first root. What is the first root? 2 raised to 1 by 5. I call it as r1. 2 raised to 1 by 5 cos. You are taking k equal to 0. So it is cos 0 plus I sin 0. So first root is 2 raised to 1 by 5. Now take k equal to 1. K equal to 2, you get r1, r2. And observe that who are the conjugate of each other. r1, r2, r3, r4, r5. This is one real root. And rest are r1, r3, r4, r5, r5. These are the complex number as its roots. You have to find the value cos for that. Okay.
सर
हाँ बोला.
तिथं cos 2 pi k plus pi आहे ना, मग तिथं k कसं कॉमन काढता येईल? ऍटलिस्ट पाय तरी कॉमन काढावं लागेल ना.
चुकलं माझं. Okay. I made mistake. Wait. I will write this as कॉस ऑफ पाय कॉमन काढतोय आपण 2k + 1 मध्ये द्यायचं तुम्हाला. यू आर टेकिंग पाय ॲज अ कॉमन, सॉरी, अपॉन काय होता 5 प्लस I sin 2k + 1 pi. I have to take pi common. Instead of pi, I take k as a common. Right. लक्षात येत चला असं. हा आता R1 रूट आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं k = 0 ठेवून घ्यायचं. आता सगळं स्टेटमेंट बदलणार आहे. R1 तुमचा येईल 2 to the power 1/5 cos of, you are taking k = 0. So it is pi upon 5. Pi upon 5 ही काय स्टँडर्ड व्हॅल्यू नाही, त्यामुळे त्याला आहे तसंच ठेवा.